We at the Free Store are really proud of our Essentials program.
Shopper number 1, come on in.
We give away free products to anyone who walks in the door and requests them.
I'll take your number. Here are your 2 shopping bags. You've got 15 minutes to shop. And then here's your hygiene card. You can fill this out and then bring it to the volunteers at the desk, and they'll gather those items as you shop. Jalen?
What we consider essentials are diapers, laundry detergent, baby wipes, shampoo and conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, dish soap, household cleaner, and deodorant and bar soap. We also have period products and contraceptive products available. Anybody can come in, request any or all of those products. In July, we gave away 2,300 Essentials products. These products come to us a variety of ways. A lot of times we get physical donations in the store. We also have wish lists on Amazon and Walmart where people will send us items. And then also we have a wonderful volunteer who goes out and sources these items from the community. She does a lot of shopping around town, looking for bargains and the cheapest possible way to acquire these items so that we can purchase as much as possible. People don't realize that we actually pay for a lot of these items through the monetary donations and any grant money that we get coming in. We are entirely volunteer run. Everybody from the person who purchases the items to the people running the desk, opening the door, collecting the donations as they come in are all people who just volunteer their time to come in and help our little project. We believe that everyone deserves access to these things, and we are glad to provide them to our community.
Tamika?